Hi, I'm Steve Gabar, the founder here at LiveWell Robotic Therapy in Clarkston. So you might be asking yourself, what's your first session going to look like? Let me explain. First, we're going to set up a 90-minute appointment. And during that 90-minute appointment, when you first come in, our specialists are going to spend some time with you and ask you a lot of questions about your past history, as well as what you're dealing with currently, any challenges or pain. From there, we're going to move into a physical assessment where they're going to look into some range of motions. They're going to look into balance of your overall body and bone structure. And once we've got some of those basic measurements, we're going to have you lay down here on the bed from the RX-2600. Once you're on the bed, the specialist will continue the evaluation. Now they're going to start to look at certain levels of your body and how in balance or out of balance they are. Because ultimately for most folks, pain comes from being out of balance. Once we determine which muscles or muscle groups are the challenge, from there we begin the treatment. So what the RX-2600 does that we can't do with traditional physical therapy is the robotic arm applies gentle, static, and consistent pressure to the specific point that the doctor or specialist has decided where we need to treat. That cycle is going to last about 10 seconds. It's going to apply pressure. During that time period, you're going to have vibration and heat, which all that begins to release the muscle and begin the process of moving you towards pain-free. Once we're done treating that specific area, if the specialist has determined there's other muscle groups or muscles that we need to treat, we'll work on those the same. Towards the end of the appointment, we may do another evaluation, seeing how your range of motion is or overall how your balance of your body is. But the goal here is through the treatment with the machine, and once we get through there, we've done a secondary evaluation. Now we're going to set up a personalized treatment plan for you. Most people need 5 to 10 visits that are dealing with chronic pain, some less, some more. But each visit after the first 90-minute evaluation is only about 1 hour. And during that process, we'll go through the whole thing again, working on your muscles and to bring you back into balance to help you be pain-free. So that's the process. It's incredible, and we're excited that you're looking into it. So LiveWell Robotic Therapy and the RX-2600, your pain-free tomorrow starts today here at LiveWell.